So in that Christmas holiday, we have done the mock paper of YY3, and we didn't talk about the multiple choice, right? So maybe we can go through all the question of the mock paper 119嗰年，好冇？ And then I am not going to show all the question at one time because the video will be too long. So that we can, maybe I divided it into 3 parts. So today I go through question number 1 to number 15, and then next day until the 45 question. Okay, so let's start. You can see the first question is, or maybe I write down topic first. 1819年 YY3 mock paper 2. So question number 1. I hope that you can see the question, and then I will swap the paper and my handwriting. Okay, so first of all, I copy the question first. Question 1. Or maybe you can see that very okay here. And then you can change your monitor as you like. Okay, so number 1, 25 to the power 456 27. 邊個講嘢啊？邊個有聲啊？ Okay, so you can see that the answer is now showing is I show you the answer already. So you can take a look at what I'm going to do. You can see that you need to change the base as the base of 25 and the base of 27. You need to change the base so that the 5 become 25 become to the power 2, and then 呢個係3嘅3次啦，and that okay, and then merge these two by multiplication so that 5 to the power 912, and then 邊個講嘢 1035. Okay, now you can have 2 base the same. Okay, so 5 912, and then 3 1035 minus 123 over 1. Suppose it's like that. I'll show you the details. And then 5 912, and then 3 912. Okay, so that 5 times 3 or bracket 912, and then you can have 15 912, so that the answer is B. Okay, any question? 有冇嘢問啊？好，咁我哋去第2題咯喎。Number 2. It is a factorization xy plus 2y minus 2x minus y squared. Okay. So, first of all, Jasmine, hi. You need to know about maybe you can change the position, maybe you can do the expansion, maybe you can figure out here, you may find that 抽邊個出嚟先好啊？呢個啦，你可以轉下咁樣。Because I cannot find the identity, but you can change some position like this two and then this two, right? So maybe you can change the position like that. So y taking out x minus y here, and then taking out 2. So y minus x. And then now you can see that x minus y, y minus x is actually sign is missing. So you can change this one as -2 so that this one can change x minus y. Now you can take out the y x minus y like this. So the answer is A. Okay? Any question? No. Number 3 咯喎. For number 3, 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 2x. And then you can see the denominator. Actually, they are having same term but with different sign, right? So make use of the technique. You change the sign, 2x minus 1, and then this one is 2x minus 1 with a negative sign changed. And then remain this one same, 2x minus 1, so 1 minus 2x, right? And then you may find that they are actually swapping like this, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. And then you can simply cross it out, equal -1. And actually it is A. Wait, turn it out. Okay, any question? 有冇嘢問啊？冇嘅話呢，我哋繼續咯喎。就係第4題啦。Number 4. I take out the calculator because I need to find out root 7. So number 4, which is 1 over root 7. 1 divided by root 7係0.377964473。When you are doing your paper, of course you no need to write down 啦，係咪？嘥咗啲時間啦。And then you need to check about the question paper. See whether which one is correct, right? So for A, 0.380 3 decimal 380唔啱啦，係咪啊 ？A 0.380就錯啦。And then 0.3779 4 decimal 係啱嘅，不過3779要進位喎，又係唔啱啦。Right， 跟住0.37796 5 significant figures， 佢係 5 significant figures， 不過呢係冇不過係啱嘅呢個，因為唔使進位啦，係咪？咁所以 C 係啱嘅。 咁我哋睇埋啲啦，佢嘅six significant figures 都係啱嘅，不過咧 one two three four five six 咧就應該係64啦，就唔係65啦。咁所以答案係，所以答案咧就係 C， 得唔得？Number 5。Oh, number 5. Find the solution of the inequalities, this one or this one. 咁就係 5x plus 13 bigger than 8 or 11 minus 5x over 2 smaller than or equal to 10 minus x 係呢個嚟嘅。咁咧就係 5x bigger than 8 minus 13，跟住 5x bigger than 8減13啊，心算唔叻啊，就用計數機啦。No need to change the sign because you divide by 5 so -1。跟住呢度成個都係我嚟嘅，咁就11 minus 5x 20 minus 2x， 跟住 -5x plus 2x 20 minus 11， 呢度係9啦，呢度係 -3x 啦。x 9 divided by -3 so that the sign need to change from smaller to bigger. Okay, so x bigger than equal to -3, and then you draw a line, number line, -1 and -3. -1 is on the right hand side of -3, and then bigger than -1 and bigger than or equal to -3. And this one is or, so that I need the larger area. Therefore, x bigger than -3, which is A. Okay? 有冇嘢問 ？Any question？ 睇下個答案先，我驚我計錯。好 ，BAACA，BAACA 係啱嘅。好啦，再嚟啦喎。Number 6。Okay. Well, number 6 is a question for like identities. Identities 咧就係咁樣啦。C and D are constant such that Cx bracket x plus 1加 6x identical D minus 1x square plus 2dx. Left hand side, right hand side, so that you have to remove all the brackets. 呢個係 left hand side 啦。Oops. 呢個係 right hand side 啦。And then remove the bracket. So for left hand side, cx squared plus cx plus 6x. So cx squared plus c plus 6. And then for right hand side, d minus 1. I did not remove the bracket because the coefficient is already shown here. Okay, so by comparison, 呢個等於呢個，呢個等於呢個。So you can get a simultaneous equation like this. C equal D minus 1, and then C plus 6 equal 2D. And then you can solve this in a simultaneous equation by simply putting C into here, so that D minus 1 plus 6 equal 2D. So D equal 5. And then I'm going to find C. That means C equal 5 minus 1 equal 4. Therefore, the answer is C. Okay? Is it too fast? But anyway, you can refer to the video I will upload to the e-classroom. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Okay, for number 7, so the fx is like this, and then it is divisible by x plus 1, and then find the remainder when it is divided by x minus 1. So write down the information fx equal px squared plus 2x plus q, and then fx is divisible by x plus 1. That means f negative 1 equals 0. And then need to find the remainder when f is divided by x minus 1. That means I need to find out the remainder by f1. So I put negative 1 into the fx so that p negative 1 squared plus 2 negative 1 plus q equals 0. So that p minus 2 plus q equals 0. That means P equal 2 minus Q. Okay? Though I cannot exactly find out P and Q, but I can in terms of Q to present P. And then I need to find out the remainder F1. So put 1, which is P plus 2 plus Q. And then you can put this into the P, so that 2 minus Q plus 2 plus Q, which is actually 4. And then you can find the answer is B. Okay? And the number 8. Okay, for number 8, find the range of the values of P such that the quadratic, this one, has 2 distinct real roots. 2 distinct real roots, that means 2x squared plus 8x plus equal P plus 5. 2 distinct root 即係 delta. Distinct means different, bigger than 0. Okay? Delta has different roots. Delta bigger than 0. So delta means b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. And for this equation, 2x squared plus 8x can be rewritten as minus p minus 5 equals 0. This part is C, this part is B, and this part is A. So b squared is 8 squared minus 4ac negative p minus 5 bigger than 0. 864啦 minus 4,800. Okay, one more step. Plus 8p plus 40. So 8p bigger than negative 40 minus 64. 心算唔好就用計數機啦。Negative 104 bigger than negative 13, which is B. Okay. Oh, and then for the question on paper of the I think the question paper have some problem. 睇唔到，睇唔到佢係點樣喎。The figure showing the graph like this, and then which one is true? Maybe there's some error. I put a star on it, star of number 9. The figure is not showing correctly. Maybe I find out the original paper. If I'm lucky, I can find it at school. Okay, I do not have the hard copies right now. I just have the soft copy. So we skip this question, okay? And then going to number 10. Figure. Gotcha. Number 10. Okay, number of male students in a school is 25% more than that of female students. Then the number of female students, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this kind of question, I would like to let number than that of the female. So, okay, one male is 25% more than female, right? And then 調返轉點講呢？咁樣。好 let female 係100啦。That means male 咧就係100 times 1 plus 25% 啦，即係125啦。And then find the number of females. Number of female students is how many less than that of male 咁樣。咁即係話 compare 呢個啦，係咪？咁就係 less than 就係1 the percentage minus the female divided by the male because the base is then that of male. Okay? Times 100%. 25 divided by 125, which is 20%. So, which is A is the answer. Okay? Any question? 哎呀，有冇嘢問啊？冇，我哋繼續咯喎。Number 11. The scale of a map is 1 to 8,000, and then actual area 係呢個 and then the area of the park. So number 11, write down the summary on a piece of paper, and then the scale 咧就係1 to 8,000啦。Actual area is 512 meters square. And then find the map area 係 in cm square 嘅。Okay, do you remember the scale given? The map scale is linear, which is talking about cm to cm. Okay, 1 cm to 8,000 cm. So if I'm going to find the scale of area cm square to cm square, I need to make it square. Okay, so 個 area 嘅 scale 咧就係 1/8,000 square 啦。Okay, and then since the given actual area is in meter square, so I need to change this one to cm square. Okay, so how to change this one to cm square? 512 meter square. 喂，做咩啊？邊個講嘢？有聲喎。應該點啊？呢個100得唔得？就會變咗做 cm square 啦。好大聲啊你！我耳仔聾啦。512 0 0 0 0啱唔啱啊我 ？Great. So that map over actual equal 1/8,000. Square like this. 跟住將呢個 put 翻 into 個 actual。呢個邊個嚟嘅？好大聲。哦，唔緊要啦。你繼續咯喎，我講到第11題啦。呢度係1819年嘅mock 啊，我哋聖誕節做嗰份 paper 2嚟㗎。咁我冇講，我淨係掉咗個 solution 俾你哋，但係冇講過㗎嘛，係咪？咁咧，如果你有個 hard copy 就拎出嚟啦。如果冇咧，就都我有 show screen 嘅，你可以睇翻，好冇？好啦，咁我繼續咯喎。咁所以個 map size 咧就會係5120000 times 呢個嘞噃。And then make use of calculator 啦，係咪？0.08。個 cm square. So the answer is B. 係啦，冇錯啦。Okay, and then number 12. Okay, for number 12. For number 12, x varies directly. X varies directly. So I put a K directly as Y. And then inversely as the square of Z. Okay, so the constant K is actually X times Z square over Y, which is exactly the answer C. Okay, so find constant, that means you change the subject as the K. Okay? Okay, number 13. Number 13 is a sequence. So A1, A3 and then AN plus 2 for any blah 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 blah. 好煩喎呢條好似。Let's show you first. 13 is like that. 我哋不如睇下個公式先啦。Okay, so A1 is 5. Then I don't know about A2, but A3 is 40. And then A plus 2 is actually A 呢兩個相乘就係呢個嚟嘅，得唔得？佢話呢個佢後面嗰個 AN plus 2即係呢個啦 ，AN plus 2啦，呢個係 AN plus 1啦，呢個係 AN 啦，得唔得？It is given that A1, A3, A2 係咁樣啦。Okay, it actually comes from these two multiply and then you can get the third one. So you can easily find this one by divided 40 by 5. So this one is 8. And then you can find A4 is 8 times 40. 320, which is D. Okay. It is not about some formulas, but you need to know the notation. Okay. 2 more questions. I'll stop at number 15, as I told. Okay. Number 14, it is now showing a regular hexagon. It is divided into 12 identical right-angled triangles, and 3 of them are shaded. And then the number of folds of rotational symmetry. Number of folds means when you rotate this figure. 呢個冇得計數㗎喎，有冇人答我啊？呢個計唔到數㗎喎，咪 free fold 咯，係咪啊？佢有3個反啊嘛，冇得計㗎噃，佢有3個反咪就係3個 fold 咯，睇唔睇到啊 ？Number 14，做咩 Jasmine 走咗啊？3 fold， 答案係 A。好，咁我講埋15啦。Number 15。Take a look at number 15. Yeah. In this figure, there is a figure consists of 2 identical right circular cones, heights and circumference. The heights of the 一個嘅高咧就係 4 cm and the circumference of the base 呢個係6 pi cm. And find the total surface area of this solid. 咁即係話咧 the height of the circumference of the base of the circle of one circular cone. Okay, so 呢個 let's say 係 R 啦。咁即係話2 pi R equals 6 pi 啦。咁 so that R 係3啦。OK， 跟住呢個 slant height L 係3 square plus 4 square root 啦。我出返嚟先啊。咁所以 slant height 係5啦。 咁我要 slant height 嚟做乜嘢啊？因為佢話要揾 total surface area 啊嘛。total surface area 呢度有 pi rl 同埋有個 base 就係 pi r square 兩個，咁所以兩個啦。2 times pi r l plus pi r square， 咁所以就係15 pi plus 9 pi 24 pi， 即係48 pi， 即係答案 D， 搞掂。